Who's ready for another Black Friday video? I know I'm not. But if you've been sitting on the fence on getting a new garage door opener, well, Black Friday is one of the best times to do so. And in this video, we're going to share with you some of the great Black Friday deals for garage door operators. And at the same time, we're going to provide you a free resource that will help you to determine whether you need a new garage door opener this year or maybe at all. Let's party. Hey party people, we're just meeting for the first time. My name is Santiago from SOS Garage Door Service, and on this channel we provide you pro tips and tech reviews for residential garage door needs. And I've been in the garage door industry for roughly about 20 years, growing my home service business alongside my YouTube channel. And that doesn't make me better than anyone. I hope that doesn't come off as I'm cocky or I'm, trying to say like, ooh, look what I've accomplished. In reality, this channel, along with my business, is designed to serve a community. And I believe that one of the ways that YouTube allows us to serve a community is providing the right information to help you make a better buying decision, an informed decision, specifically where you're going to invest your hard-earned dollars. And so in this video, again, we're just going to look at some of those Black Friday deals that you might want to consider if you're needing or wanting to get a new garage door opener.
Now, the majority of the deals I'm going to talk about are going to be found on blackfriday.com, and this is basically my source whenever considering a new garage door opener that is at that price point that you can get at that Black Friday deal. Now, it used to be back in the day that I could go into a Lowe's or a Home Depot, and they were going to have a section specifically just for some $99 garage door openers. In fact, they had at Home Depot the 1055 TKV. It was a standard small 3/4 horsepower equivalent, half horsepower sometimes, Genie garage door opener, which was pretty solid. In fact, for 4 years straight, I was making videos about that specific garage door opener, and I think a lot of people picked up on it pretty quick because they went into those Home Depots and they were just flying off the shelf. I mean, I couldn't find a $99 garage door opener from Genie anywhere. And then LiftMaster, or I should say Chamberlain, they too got on the boat. Last year they were selling, I believe, a belt drive too for $99. And that was pretty much a steal, in my opinion, for a garage door opener that you could get for Black Friday. But it seems that things have now changed. And in fact, if you go to blackfriday.com, you'll see how Home Depot is offering these two different operators from both Chamberlain and Genie. Now, I'm going to tell you right off the bat, results may vary because these Black Friday deals are usually set up like weeks or months in advance, and then they will introduce the flyer or the ad, but it doesn't necessarily apply throughout all the nation or throughout all the Home Depot areas here in my local area. In fact, looking at this 3/4 horsepower unit from Home Depot, one of the things that it's missing is a battery backup, and you cannot sell within the state of California a Chamberlain garage door opener without a battery backup. That's kind of like the law. So the point that I'm trying to highlight here is that if you can find this deal pretty much anywhere in your local area, that's great. I would definitely pick up on this motor, which they are offering. This is the Chamberlain. Looks like it's going to be the model B4505T. Now, this is the older Chamberlain garage door opener motor style, and the reason why I love this opener so much is because it mimics the older LiftMaster garage door opener. Now, why is that important? Well, if you follow my channel, you pretty much know that for the older style LiftMaster, that one-piece rail assembly can easily be applied to the older style, the older body style Chamberlain. So this specific garage door operator excites me in the fact that if you have a LiftMaster garage door opener that has a single state or a solid state one-piece rail, well, you're going to be able to still use that rail, but the benefit is that it still has the same chassis like the Proline LiftMaster motor, and that belt rail is going to be interchangeable. So I think that's probably the better way to go. If you're not a fan of the Genie products and you prefer to have a LiftMaster or a Chamberlain style LiftMaster body chassis, you're going to get a lot of great benefits. This is a kind of a no-brainer in my opinion, and for the price that they're asking for, that is the $179 price at Home Depot, yeah, I would definitely pick one up. Now, Genie had to get into this fight because they too are offering a Black Friday deal on one of their smart, quiet, ultra quiet garage door openers And this is for $189. But the reason why I think this is just $10 more is specifically because of that battery backup. You can see in the video that there's, or I should say, in the little ad there in Black Friday, you do see a battery backup that's being offered for this garage door opener. This happens to be their 7155LD-TKSV. And that model designation is to help you know that this is going to come with Wi-Fi connectivity through the Aladdin Connect app. And at the same time, it's going to have built-in LEDs. So the perks behind this specific garage door opener is, again, you're going to get a little bit more with regards to those built-in LEDs. On the Chamberlain, you're going to have to buy bulbs. In addition to that, it's also going to have that battery backup where the Chamberlain doesn't. So in Southern California, I would love to see what they're going to do with that Chamberlain model. But still, the fact that you're looking at this Genie, well, you're kind of getting all of that stuff for just $10 more. Now, here's another caveat that I have to stress, because my channel is not designed to tell you what to do. It's simply designed to give you the necessary information to, again, make a good decision. And when looking at this Genie product, this specific model happens to be the Signature Series garage door opener. Now, again, if you follow my channel, you know that I'm not a fan of the Signature Series. The specific reasons why I don't like the Signature Series is because of the light cover. The light cover comes in two pieces. For some reason, it doesn't seal properly. I think it's an eyesore. It's not very practical. And I'm not alone in this. There's a number of people on my channel or visit my channel that agree with me on this. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is the program buttons. For some reason, they decided on the Signature Series to offer flat programming buttons, and those programming buttons are no good. Sometimes you try to set the program when the travel or with the travel, and also setting the force level, and it's just not a good design. And I've seen it all the time. Every time I work with these Signature Series garage door openers and I'm trying to reset the travel or program the remotes, those flat buttons do not help me. So in essence, I think these two main reasons are why I would not consider the Genie Signature Series from Home Depot. But again, I'm not going to tell you what to do. If you have the ability to be able to purchase it and it's going to fit your needs, we'll do it, because I think it's a good deal.
Now, again, when it comes to getting a garage door opener on Black Friday, I believe a lot of those deals are designed to entice people to see where they can spend their money. And that's perfectly fine, because I don't think these deals are bad, the ones that we've mentioned right now. I think they're offering a lot. Nevertheless, how do you know whether you really need a new garage door opener? For example, today I went to go visit a customer that wanted to change his Craftsman garage door opener because he said it was opening up too slow. Well, comes to find out that his specific garage door had very poor balance. It was super heavy to lift anywhere from like the 3 to 4 foot level. So right then and there, I advised the homeowner that he really didn't need to change his garage door opener. The source of his issue was with his garage door balance. And basically his torsion springs were not rated, or they were not strong enough to lift that door easily and make it perfectly balanced. So that's where I advise the customer to invest his dollars. Now, one of the ways that you can kind of determine whether you need a new garage door opener, or if you have specific needs to your garage door system, is with our free resource, our free garage door safety scorecard. And this scorecard is designed to help you to be able to determine whether your springs need attention, whether your rollers need attention, whether your hinges need attention. And again, if you can invest your money better elsewhere, instead of getting a new garage door opener because you may not necessarily need it, well, that might be the way to go. So if you're interested in learning more about this free resource, there's a link down below and you can get a free copy of your garage door safety scorecard that can help you make a better decision when looking to invest your hard-earned money on your garage door system. Now, on this channel, we offer a number of reviews on great garage door openers. So check out this opener right here from the company Lanier, which is also known as Nice. They made a really awesome small but mighty garage door opener, a conventional garage door opener for the pro line, or for the person that's looking for a pro grade experience. You can check out that video right there. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.